How Wall Street and the financial industry can actually end up destroying your retirement dream. Brought to you by Cresco Salus. Our mission is to educate the public about what they can do to make their retirement dreams come true, not the retirement dreams of the financial industry. And if you don't think that is how it works, that's exactly why you need to take my 1% Solutions course. Cresco Salus. To grow and thrive safely. Our mission is to eliminate the money changes from your life. Do you invest in mutual funds? Do you invest in a 401k or IRA? Do you invest through a brokerage firm? Do you own annuities? Each one of these charge fees to you for the right to invest your money for you, and all the while you take all the risk. My 1% Solution course shows you that by allowing them to charge you fees, you allow them to become your biggest partner in life. Actual partners, as in sometimes 30%, 40%, 50% partners or more. How is this possible? Have you ever done the actual math on your returns and calculated how much of the fees you paid were as a percentage of what you have actually made for yourself? If Wall Street made $40,000 in fees while you made $60,000, then they're your 40% partners. Their share of your return is 40%. Does that seem fair to you? At Cresco Salus, we teach the forgotten wisdom of never allowing someone else to count your money. We teach you how to count your own money and your costs. Once you see how much it is costing you, you will never again be deceived into allowing the financial industry to take a huge percentage of your gains as their fees. Those gains belong to you and you will need them during your retirement. Cresco Salus will teach you how. Over the last 20 years, the average return for investors was 4.97%. And remember, during that entire 20-year span most people had some type of professional management from the financial industry managing their investments. 4.97% is a horrible long-term return. You simply cannot retire on the small amount of money a 4.97% return will make you. That is a mathematical fact, and math does not lie. Just eliminating the fees alone during that time span would have created 30 to 40% more return each year, which would have doubled or tripled the average investor's nest egg. Don't believe me? Do the math yourself. 2% more per year on a 4.97% return is 40% more return. Cresco Salus's The 1% Solution course shows you this and so much more. My 20 years in Wall Street taught me these facts. Now I teach regular people these facts so they can have a righteous retirement and the financial industry can go pound salt. At Cresco Salus, we never forget that your investments are your hard-earned money, not ours. Your hard-earned money isn't there so someone else can get rich off of it. What we specialize in is teaching you how to invest your money for yourself, at a lower risk, with zero cost. By eliminating fees and costs, and increasing your return just a couple of percentage points over time, your wealth will provide you with the nest egg you need for the rest of your life. This is a mathematical fact, and of course we prove it to you using free online tools. The 1% Solution course teaches you to see these facts for yourself, with your own eyes, not to just trust that someone else is telling you the truth. And besides, do you really trust the banks and Wall Street with your nest egg for retirement? Click on the link in the description below to learn more about the Cresco Salus 1% Solution course. The 1% Solution course is designed so that you have a chance to be a part of the 1%, not your broker or advisor. Doesn't that make sense? Why would you work hard and save your whole life just so the financial industry can live life easy? That is not the way it is supposed to be. You deserve this. Your family deserves this. Cresco Salus. To grow and thrive safely.